Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video was actually going to be something totally different. I was going to upload my room makeover featuring Primark, and I actually filmed that video and I edited it, and it was like 3 minutes long. So I was like, oh my god, this is going to be a really short video. But then same night, Nick and Gabby posted a video about their deleted videos, and it just hit me. I mean, as a YouTuber, I do have quite a lot deleted videos, so videos that are edited and never actually got to be uploaded. So I thought, why not uploading all these deleted videos that I do have, which are quite short, and my room makeover in just one video. So that's pretty much what this video is going to be about. I am gonna show you guys all the footage that I never got to post, and then of course at the end of the video you will still see my room makeover. So shall we just get into it? The first footage that I have for you guys is me attempting to do a what I eat in a day. And this video was actually filmed the 15th of September 2018 when I first moved to the UK. So I wanted to kind of do a what I eat in a day travel edition. So when you're on the plane, and let's be honest, it's not that you eat that healthy when you're planning, right? And I also ended up the night with a donut, which probably was not the best decision, but I missed that so friggin' much. So I mean, hashtag sorry not sorry, right? So yeah, I feel like the reason why this video never goes to be uploaded is that it's not that interesting. I'm just showing you guys a bunch of food and me eating, which is like kind of weird, isn't it? Anyway, the next footage is me going to Winter Wonderland, or Alice. I tried to vlog it all, but clearly I was not able to. So all you see in the video is just me talking about how exciting I am to go, and then I never actually show you guys how Winter Wonderland looked like. And that's because I went there with a bunch of guys from my school, and I know I just didn't feel like putting the camera out and vlog or even like record. I don't know why I didn't do any sort of like cinematic shots of like the rides, any of that. No clue, still wondering, but enjoy. Oh my god, you guys, look how cute this shop is. They have lots of cacti, and oh my god, that's adorable. Oh my god, this Christmas tree. It's gorgeous. So I also never vlogged during nighttime, and I don't know how this footage is going to be. I really hope it's going to turn out right, but finger crossed. I'm so excited to go. By the way, I'm feeling like red hot in my outfit, which I don't know why, because I'm not even wearing anything red other than like this headband and then my red lips, but I am loving it, and I should probably shut up and we should go. So Winter Wonderland, here we go. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I look so damn cute. Winter Wonderland, here we come. The next footage is something that actually was meant to upload in my coming back home vlog type of thing, but then I forgot to mention that in the video, so I never had a chance to actually upload the footage or like insert the footage in some sort of ways, because it would just be weird if I put that random footage without saying what it was. So I'm doing it now basically. So you're gonna see me packing to come back home for Christmas. I brought with me a bunch of stuff, and yeah, there we go. So this is the current situation. Should we start packing? Because I mean, I'm leaving the day after tomorrow and I still haven't done anything. Do you like my shoes? But this lip flop from Primark, actually love them. Is this weird? So I have this bag that's like full of clothes type of thing. I don't know if I should bring like some more or what I should do with it. I know, right? That was a really interesting footage, especially the part of my foot. Anyway, finally we are here with the room makeover. The video is already edited, it has an intro, it has an outro, so I'm gonna shut up and let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. You know what they say, new year, new me, and I definitely think it's time to give my room a little makeover. I already went ahead and cleaned all the surface in my room, get rid of all the dust and tied up everything. So today we're mainly focused on the bedding area, and of course the first step would be to remove and fold all my old bedding. So I do have to say, I didn't bother to do my bed today just because I knew we were going to film this video, so I think we should just get into it. Also, just saying, you may get a little warm in the process, so if you need to take your jacket off, just go ahead and do that. Then step 2 will be to put everything you don't need away, and you know, there's no point of it laying around. There we go, now we have a white canvas to work with. Step 3 for me was to change my calendar because, let's be honest, it's been there for quite a long time and I really want to put my new one on. This is the calendar that I got for this year. It's from Poundland and I really love it. Last but not least, step 4, which is to change the bedding and put a new one on. And oh my god, I'm obsessed with this new bedding. Shout out to Primark because everything that I got from there. So I'm gonna start putting these on. Oh my god, I just think it looks so cute. Can't wait to put this on. Oh my god, I'm not even kidding. I love this one. It looks so good. Oh my god, this is exactly how I picture it to be. Looks so good. So, never have I ever had a duvet, and this is like my first one, so I'm so excited to like open it and see how it looks like. And I got some sisters to help me out because I'm pretty sure that I will not be able to open this alone. So how can I do this? Oh my god, I did it. Ooh, that's nice. Apparently I didn't need a scissor as well. It's massive. So I don't know what my strategy will be like to put the cover on this huge thing right here, but we're just about to figure it out, I think. Oh my god, look how huge this is. Seems so comfy. And there you have it. This was my room makeover. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below what do you think, and of course, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.